Hey y'all, so I am doing a review on the printer paper, and this one is like the shimmery gold paper, as you can see right here. I use it to make my candle labels because I have a candle business, and this is how it looks. It is super beautiful. I always get compliments on it. And I also use it to make my business cards right here, and look at the shimmer. Every time I hand people this, they always say they love it. They're like, ooh, that's cute. So yeah, that is what I use it for. And it's pretty good. It's pretty durable. And as you can see, I have two different styles, but the ink comes in. I use my thermal printer to make these. Both of these actually. And it fits in there perfectly well. And it looks really nice. So yeah, there you go.